Tips to how to clean marble surfaces effectively in your house. Dear friends, if you're looking for the best way to clean your marble floors, it's essential to follow the right procedures to preserve their beauty and longevity. Marble floors are elegant, but they require special care to maintain their shine and prevent damage. Whether you're dealing with dirt, stains, or the buildup of grime, knowing how to clean marble floors properly is crucial to keeping them looking their best. While some marble companies may recommend a specific cleaning product, many marble surfaces can be cleaned with a gentle soap and water solution. In general, cleaning marble with mild dish detergent and warm water is a safe bet. This helps to prevent any harsh chemicals from breaking down the stone's sealant. Experts recommend a simple wash, rinse, and dry method, which works for counters, floors, showers, or any other marble area in your home. Mix a small amount of pH-neutral dish soap into a bucket of water. Dunk a soft microfiber cloth into the solution and wring it out until it's just damp. Gently wipe the marble surface with the damp cloth. Rinse the cloth well and wipe the surface with clean water to remove any remaining soap. Dry the surface with a soft towel to prevent watermarks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.